And that this city needs. So bow down and suck on these nuts.
Come on, birdies. We're gonna learn to fly today.
Yay!
Alright, listen.
Be flightless feathers.
We're gonna fly, okay?
My game is frozen.
He's flying!
He's flying!
I see.
Where we learn how to fly?
Hold on.
We're going upstairs, or?
Alright, ready? I'm gonna fly. You ready for this? There's.
Wait. Hold on, I want to see this.
Alright, it's gonna be majestic.
Go!
Go ahead.
Yeah!
Perfect landing.
Shit.
Ready?
Yep.
Man, you suck at flying. You just fell like a brick. Alright, what are we doing?
Where you guys at?
Hold on, running over. Here. Hi, who's over there?
I'm coming over. What's up?
Okay, you see me?
Oh shit.
Oh.
Aha! Wait, I'll budge over.
Oh, this is so dangerous.
Aha!
Ow!
So, you know, this is really it, you know? Try and get into the second bit. Where the fuck you nerds
How did
were?
you know that?
Because I saw you, I walked underneath you at one point.
Wow. Hey, look, guys, I'm flying. I'm flying. Guys, I know how to fly. I am your god.
Bye-bye.
Oh, no.
Bitch, oh god.
I broke my ankles.
Guys, I'm a bird. Did you know that?
Oh, okay.
Did you know I was a bird? You know,
Oh!
I'm a strutting bird.
Guys! Here! Come in here!
What?
In here!
What did you find?
Come on! In here! I'm going in here!
What does it do?
I don't know. It's an elevator.
Oh, thanks for telling him.
Wow, fascinating, no, thank God. And now you told him what we're in.
Alright, let's see what floor we are at.
I have no idea where the hell you guys
Just
are.
pop up on the top and go,
Whoa, what happened? Oh, God, let me out.
what did you take us into?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
I don't know, we're in a dark dimension.
We took an
What the shit?
What?
Don't go down there.
Dude! Mini-Life, just tell us where you are. Can you stop, Evan? Every fucking can't get through here.
Come on, little fella, you can do it.
How do you turn the TV on in here?
You're a piece of shit.
Use your wings,
You're a
man.
real scumbag. There, he's right there, Evan. He's right there.
Come on,
Move, we can
Get him, go.
Oh, I just realized I could push you. Oh my god, I can't even get past you when I push. You're a fucking slut. I hope you die in some seeds.
20 seconds. Finger his butt.
Ah, oh, I give up.
Poo in his face. Oh, I fell off.
Can't get up there.
I'll give you a boost. Look, it's not that hard, man.
I don't want to. Give me a boost, will ya? Give me a fucking
Crouch
boost.
jump.
Hey!
I did crouch jump. It won't let me jump.
Oh, they're not here. Oh.
Yeah. No! There's
Oh, yeah, bye, no, there
Anything
It
but
was
this
all
place.
part of my plan.
There he goes.
Hold on. What happened to him?
Oh, that was delirious.
Just a skull. He turned into a skull.
It's just a skull left.
Yeah, come on, bitch.
Wait a minute. Jump up here. Can we? Oh, if you could jump up there on that little corner right here, little edge.
Oh, it's a bird. It's a bird pig. It's a bird pig.
Oh, it's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. Oh. Quack. Quack.
Oh, that's so creepy. Oh, open the door.
Oh, I'm not running anymore. Where are you going? 360 grab! Ah, why have I not touched you yet? What the fuck?
Can't catch me.
Walk down the wrong way, bitch.
I am in round 2.
You can't catch me. The owl is too fast for you.
Back
The owl is too fast for you.
You're not too fast.
Too fast for you.
This way.
Must be one.
Why did that door close?
Oh, yes.
Quackity quack. Oh,
Backity quack. Never look back.
hey, Delirious.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get
move.
you through that window. Okay. All right.
Delirious.
Watch out,
Delirious.
I'm
Surprise!
I'm running.
I tricked you. I tricked you.
Okay, now it's time to go.
Hey, where you going? Where you
Now it's time to
going?
go. Now it's time to go.
Get him.
Oh, Buttercup. Buttercup.
Go.
Get out. Yeah, I got him.
Gonna give you a bird flu.
Oh fuck.
Gonna give you a bird.
Get away from me. Get away. Get away.
You
No,
can
you bitch.
You can run, but you can't hide now. Can't hide.
He can't hide.
Oh god, he's running for his life. He didn't know I went to cut him off.
Where the fuck did he go? You actually lost him. Good
Yeah, I
job.
lost him. he went to the cum factory and then never came out.
What are you talking about?
I'm not gonna ask questions.
Yeah.
Did he just
Gone.
That one.
conflict?
He went down the hole and never saw him again. What?
Bye, Delirious.
Did you go back down the hole?
No, of course
You went
not.
back down the fucking hole, didn't he?
I saw a little birdie bird.
Hello.
The blue bird? What kind of bird was it?
Come on, 20 more seconds.
Where are you? Yeah.
Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
I saw your little thing in between.
Creepy ass lobster bird.
Wow.
Sorry, what was
Honeycomb,
man.
you were disconnected.
You're an asshole, man.
Thanks for the help. You're my favorite YouTuber.
Hello.
You bitch. Fuck you, you fucking. Get out of my way, you bird asshole.
Well, look up there, guys. He's
Hey.
up there.
Can't be.
Yeah.
You're all
Why
right
would you
down
do
there.
that?
Get him. Get him.
Hello.
He can't even fucking jump up here.
I can't believe
on
we're
the
doing
damn
this.
box.
We're birds.
Birds have been getting
You gotta
together.
be a bird.
Come on, V-shake, motherfucker, V-shake!
Oh my god. You do
Fly
it.
up there!
You do it.
Get up, bud! My mama never
away.
Use your wings.
This is really sad. This is really sad.
Oh,
Come on.
Oh, you're so close.
Who the hell was that?
Maybe his arms are so
Hold on.
He's an old man.
This is
Come
stupid.
on up.
Yeah, we got
How did you get up there?
Hi there.
him. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, you wanna go this way?
I think my spot's better than yours.
No, I think your spot's really easy to get to.
I think we can get both of you guys very easily.
No, there's only 50 seconds left.
All right, you guys try to get vanoss. I'll go get. Wow.
He ain't get me. I don't know how to get. Oh.
You're not your character.
Look at how slowly Nova's just walking, just casually.
Hey guys.
What did
Everyone down. Everyone down. I'm
making a run for it.
I'm gonna pick your balls out.
What?
Nothing, man. Nothing. I mean, pick your eyes out. That's what I said. That's what I
Go
said.
pick your balls.
Wildcat?
What?
Are you good?
And Wildcat jumped off two guys.
Come back here. Pick your little fucking out.
Wildcat jumped up. Where'd he go?
You must evolve.
I bailed, I'm gone.
You have to evolve.
No!
You must evolve.
Touch him, Nova.
Get back! Yeah, no! Are you kidding me? He got me right at the last second.
I win, suck
1
my dick.
second.
I win, suck my dick.
Stupid
suck my dick.
lobster.
With me.
We're on our way.
Hi.
Really?
Really?
It's not my night.
Alright, see you guys next time. Peace.
Why did I choose Rankin Technical College?
also,
I wanted a school where I could
shout
finish
out to
fast
Van-
and get a great
Vanoss.
job after graduation. Rankin gave me hands-on